Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. I hope you're having a good day today. In this video, I am gonna show you how to fix iPhone overheating after update iOS 17 100% working. For example, I'm using my iPhone 14 Pro with iOS 17 device. In this video, I will give you 5 solutions to fix overheating issues. Solution 1. Check your iPhone battery issue. First, you must open the setting menu. Scroll it. To find battery setting, you can see your battery usage on a daily basis. Click the battery health and charging. I recommend that if your battery is less than 90%, you should replace your battery to reduce the overheating issue. Solution 2. Disable location service. Go to your setting menu, privacy and security. Click location service at the top. You must turn off the location service to reduce the overheating issue. Solution 3. Clear your iPhone storage. Click the setting menu. General setting. iPhone storage. You have to delete some files or applications that you don't use. Or you can move it to another device like iCloud or your computer. If your storage is full, it will make your iPhone work hard, so it will overheat. Therefore, you should empty your storage. Solution 4. Use AltPhone system repair. Easy and no data loss. First, you must open your computer browser and go to this website, AltPhone.com. AltPhone iOS system repair. AltPhone apps can fix 150 plus iOS system issues like Apple logo, reboot loop, and black screen without data loss. At the first, you must connect your iPhone to your computer with a good cable. AltPhone apps can make iOS system repair under many scenarios. AltPhone can free repair and downgrade macOS system in minutes. Fix iOS or Apple device system issues without data loss. After you download AltPhone program, you must install AltPhone application and open that apps. This AltPhone apps have many features. After you read the features of AltPhone apps, you can click Start Repair. Then click iOS mode stuck. Then click Fix Now. Click the standard repair. You must connect your iPhone to your computer with a good cable. Then click Download to process your downloading the firmware. Wait the download firmware process after completed. Make sure you have a good connection to download. After finished, click Start Standard Repair. Wait the process after completed. The AltPhone software is the best choice for your Apple device. It will help you if you have any issues with your Apple device. Now you must back to your iPhone and check it. See, you can check the battery setting and will not overheating again. Solution 5. Restart the iPhone. Click Menu Restart. Click Restart and wait the process after completed. It will make your iPhone not overheating. Thanks for watching this video.